I came to ARU without any game dev knowledge. I really settled in well, the teaching was great and really built you up to make some amazing stuff and learn the industry.
When I found out about Games Course here, it was so much more hands-on. It suited my style of learning a lot better, and there was so much room to choose what I wanted to do. When I went and asked the lecturer a question, I wouldn't get an answer, I'd get a way to solve the problem. It gave me a lot of independence that I didn't have before.
The support in ARU for the course and the wider community is brilliant. We have our own Discord server. It's quite nice being able to just go onto the server, chat with the lecturer about your work, and then a third year might chip in, give you some extremely good advice to help push your project even further.
It's really interesting to meet new people and learn what they can do and what I can do and how we can collaborate to make a game.
Our lecturers, they are great. They're also developers, they're also super interested in games, so they're always going to push you to go further and further. So the support there is amazing.
My lecturer, Adam Twycross, he worked on movies that I actually watched when I was a kid, and he worked on games that I also played. So he has so much industry experience.
Now I'm super confident that I can go out there and get a job in the industry. I can make my own solo projects, and I'm having a great time doing it.
I did expect all the opportunities for careers. It's really fun and exciting to know all these other opportunities are out there.